Now today, I'm going to be showing you how to change your lift supports on your rear hatch on your 3rd Gen F body. So let's get to it. Now the first thing you're going to do is find something to support the hatch up, something strong and sturdy, and make sure it doesn't damage the paint. Now to start here, on both sides we're going to pop this little cap off, and you can see there's a torque bit there. Also what we're going to do is disconnect that by pulling that out. Also here, we're going to disconnect this as well. Here, this is also an 8mm. So there we go. Now I had to pull the seat out so I can actually get my ratchet in here, but I'll take this T50 and go ahead and remove this torque bit. Save the torque, move up here. Remove this 8mm real quick. Grab the new one. We'll just kind of have to twist that way so that is where it should be. And right back here, slide that in, put the 8mm back in, and tighten it down. And while we're here, go ahead and plug that in real quick. Now what we'll do, take the Torx head bolt, shoulder bolt, and we'll slide it through the eye loop there, get it back in, get it started in the hole. Which I have to raise it up just a hair in order to actually hit the hole just right. Because the new one's expanded out just a little bit further because the old one was completely worn out. There we go. Now I'll pop the little plastic cap back on. Slide that back on. Now to the other side. Now this side's the same, but I'm going to get you a little closer so you can see. Pop that off. Let's pull that out of our way. Now we'll just pull that off. Take the 8mm. Move the old one. Install the new one. Plug that back in, go to the other end. Come back over here, put the bolt back through. And I'm going to have to raise the hatch up just a little bit to get that to line up. Plug that back in and reinstall the cap. Alright, there it is. That's how you change your hatch lift supports on your 3rd Gen F body. Easy to do. As you see, it's up on its own now. And don't ever push down by the spoiler. There we have it. I hope this information proved helpful. As always, thanks for watching.